Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block YouTube channels. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're on your phone or a computer and you find that a specific channel keeps being recommended or pops up in searches or anything like that, and you just don't want it to be on there, you don't want to see content from that channel, I'll walk you through all your options. Now, there is one caveat to all of blocking, and that's essentially if you have a preteen or supervised YouTube account. It says block channels for your preteen supervised experience. And you can scroll down and it gives you the process of blocking a specific channel. But this is only for if the person has a kid's YouTube channel or YouTube account here and you're a parent blocking a channel for them. Now, this is the only option that YouTube gives for blocking a channel or an account. Essentially, if you're an adult, there is no block option, but there are some options to essentially hide it. So let's open up YouTube here, and I'll walk you through those options. Now, if you're on your normal home feed and you don't like a specific video, you can always tap on the three dots right next to the video. And you have two options. One is you can hit Not Interested, and the second one, you can hit Don't Recommend This Channel. If you hit Don't Recommend This Channel, it says, we won't recommend this channel to you again in your home screen, or anything like that. Now, I'm going to hit Undo here. Now, on here, that is one option to be able to essentially hide videos from that specific creator, and you won't be able to see them anymore. However, if you tap on Search at the top right, and you search for something that that creator has videos on, essentially, it doesn't hide them from here. It will not show them on the normal home screen or on basically recommendations on the sidebar, stuff like that. But on searches, there's really no way to block a channel from those searches. You do have another option though as well. You can tap on the account here, so I can go over to this specific account and then tap on the three dots at the top right. And now if you have a channel and you find a specific channel keeps commenting or harassing you, you can always choose to hit Hide User from My Channel. This will hide them from commenting on your specific videos, and they won't pop up with comments on your videos again. If you did have a kids account, you can hit Block Channel for Kids, and they won't be able to see this specific channel anymore. So that's basically how you can block YouTube channels. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.